And this was the top 10 hit in the Australian country charts. That's not such a big deal, but having a guy with as much hair as me in the Australian country charts, well, that's a big deal. And I had more hair than the other 9 of them in the chart that week, folks, including all the chicks. How about that? All the long-haired country boys out there. Now I want to play this song from far north Queensland. This is a song I wrote called Cyclone Country, about my time working on the banana farm through a cyclone. And we're dedicating it to the folks up in Queensland. May they have a speedy recovery and everything work out for them up there. All right. And we've got some benefit shows and heaps of stuff happening in Tamworth. Good to see you. Hello. Driving up to the cyclone country, working out where the wild wind blows. I wonder if I'll ever see the sun no more. Yeah, I wonder, well, I wonder now. Everything that moves will get wet. Don't kill to the bone like you'll never forget. Rain crashing down on the big red roof. I hope that thing will stay waterproof. Yeah, we're riding up the hot rain. Red mine flying in a four-wheel drive, surfing down the whirlwind. Wonder if I'll ever survive. Cyclone country. Oh, young man, old man, all the same. Mighty heavyweight, can you bear the strain? Yeah, the cold water wakes you up with the blast, and the snake bites at you, but you're too fast. Riding up the hot rain, red mine flying in a four-wheel drive, surfing down the whirlwind. Wonder if I'll ever survive. Cyclone country. Here we go. Woo. Dead quiet in the eye of the storm. Never even know if a new day's dawn. Who cares anyway? Nobody knows where the storm comes from or where it all goes. Riding in the hot rain, red mine flying in a four-wheel drive, surfing down the whirlwind. Wonder if I'll ever survive. Yeah, riding in the hot rain, red mine flying in a four-wheel drive, surfing down the whirlwind. Wonder if I'll ever survive. Woo. Cyclone country. Thank you, Tamworth. We'll see you around.
8 Ball, Aitken, an outright Confederate. I'll give you the cue. 8 Ball Aitken, we're not going to do any gags about that. Thanks very much, 8 Ball, you're fantastic.